Is cool because he's vaping. How? I don't understand. The worst part is, I saw this comment. Do you even vape, bro? Do I even vape? What do you guys think? Do I look like a little vapester? Well, let's find out.
Hey, white girls, give me Becky. But first I gotta roll this joint, baby. Hold on.
Guys, I'm here with my boy Faze Apex, and I just had a question. Since you smoke so much cigarettes, what's your opinion on vaping?
Everybody outside wanna pull up outside all night though. Everybody
I got too excited. Shout out to Vape Nation. You guys inspire me to vape every single day. How's for you guys? Fucking love vape. This is the Faze Rain Show and you're the star. Hey, I'm Nikan. Hehehe. LOL. Vape.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm vaping.
What do you mean you're vaping?
I'm vape. What do you mean?
I'm the vape man. No, you're not the vape. I'm the vape man.
But I got a vape in my hand.
Yeah, but I got the vape.
Come
you see
on.
this? I'm the vape man.
Come on.
Get out. Get out of here.
Really?
This is my vaping spot.
Come on.
Come on, man.
Whatever.
You know that this is my vaping spot.
Motherfucker vape out here.
There it is. It's the pink vape.
The pink vape. Alright guys, but for real, that was just a little video I wanted to make today. Shades off. I just wanted to fuck around with the vape. Al, the king vapor here. He was vaping in the video and people thought it was funny. So I made a video out of it. Thank you guys for watching. If we break 50,000 likes, I will go to a vape shop and learn everything there is to learn about vape. So 50,000 likes, we'll be at a vape shop. Maybe for tomorrow's video, actually, because I do gotta leave tomorrow. So we'll see. Thank you guys for watching. Keep it real. Pesado. Fesa.
Oh.
Just watch it. Stop. Just watch. Stop.
That is so disgusting.
I can't. I'm not watching.
You have
ice cream. Oh
it's just ice cream, Mom. Don't worry.
That's really pretty gross.
I'm not watching. I can't. I will throw up.
Is that what? Is that
Said
what
no.
do you call it? Caramel flavor? What is it?
Shut up, Al.